Hi, good morning, Philippines. Welcome to Job's Fantastic Puppet Show. Today I will tell you about Gulliver and his adventures in Brobdingnag. Hi, this is Gulliver. When Gulliver went to Brobdingnag, he described the kingdom. He said it's like a wide piece of land, divided into mountains and oceans. Seas are rough, rivers are full of fish. They had 51 cities and 100 walled towns. This is Gundle Cliff. He bring Gulliver anywhere. And then Gulliver see beggars in the city who has disease. These are the ladies. They invited Gundle Clutch to go to their apartments. This is the queen. The queen said to Gulliver, rowing is exercising. Then Gulliver do it. Then the queen was shocked about Gulliver's skills. Gulliver made his own comb. This is the cabinet maker. Gulliver asked him, "Would you give me some 2 chairs?" "Of course, why not?" he said. Then Gulliver gave it to the queen, and the queen was thankful. The cabinet maker made to a purse and gave it to Gundle Clutch. Gundle Clutch is thankful too. One of the workers had a monkey who embarrassed Gulliver and then get Gulliver and squeezed him, and then a huge shout, "Ah!" And then the monkey go up the roof. Then one of the people used a ladder to get the monkey. When they got the monkey, Gulliver fell down. He thought he would die, but someone get him and bring him to his room. This is the king. They have a conversation about Gulliver's land. The end. The characters: Gulliver, bow. The cabinet maker, bow. The ladies, bow. The queen, bow. Gundle Clutch, bow. The king, bow. The monkey, bow. The comb, bow. The purse, bow. The boat, bow. The chairs, bow. See you soon. Bye.